Hello and welcome to our video on exporting pivot grids in Anterra. For any saved view you have of a pivot grid, you can export it to Excel. Simply choose the Excel icon here and click on it, and we'll export out the pivoted table. When we export to Excel, it goes to your default download folder, and once it's saved, most browsers open a small window down here that allows you to open it. When I click on that window, Excel opens on a different monitor for me, so I'll drag it over, enable editing, and here's our pivot table. This is how you get data out of Anterra pivot grids so that you can highlight and send things to other people if you wanted to. You can highlight this and now save and email it off. Of course, you can turn columns on and off in Excel like you can in Anterra, and you can sort and manipulate rows and pivots as you like. Notice that this is so much easier than trying to build a pivot table off of your raw data in Sage Timberline, Acumatica, Sage Intacct, or Viewpoint Vista. We send all the raw data out for you so you can manipulate it however you want. And again, the pivot table is here for your use. This concludes our video on exporting to Excel. Thank you for watching.